Okay, so like I did in the previous video, I use mousse first, and this is the mousse I use. I also use this Luta body mousse as well, but here I'll be using this mousse first, then use the eco gel to lay the baby hair. Okay, there's a little bit error here. Your baby hair is not supposed to be too long. It's not supposed to be too long. So if it's too long, it will be difficult for you to do the baby hair, or it will be looking messy. So now I trim it out a little bit. Then you can see how smooth and easy that is. This is what I'm talking about. Like, you can use your mousse to slip down your hair. You can use your mousse to slip it down. And you can see that I apply the mousse on the hair itself. It's not when it gets dry, it will not freeze. It will still have good, nice texture, and it will still keep in those short flyover hair. To still keep them in, slip. See, the whole short hair will be slipped down. It will be smooth. You'll not be seeing any fly over hair anywhere. You'll not be seeing those short hair anywhere.